Yes, children, nice to meet you all. Yesterday we talked about, in the last video, we talked about Macavity. I explained the whole poem. Now I'm going to explain you textual exercises and meanings. Okay, so let us take your textbook, pencil, and be ready. Now, working with the poem. Actually, meanings are there. I'll explain you later. Now, read the first stanza and think, is Macavity a cat really? You have to think. Now you heard the poem. What is Macavity? Is she a cat or a devil? What? You have to think about it. Next, if not, who can Macavity be? If not cat, then not a devil, not a cat, then what? What can it be? So I feel it's a cat only, but it does sometimes some mysterious things. Okay, what you think, you tell me. Okay, next, complete the following sentences. A master criminal is one who is a criminal. A master criminal is one who is never caught. A criminal means who actually police will catch. Somebody who kills others, who harms others, or do all mischievous things. Police are in need of them. Government is in need of them. Such people are called as criminals. Okay, so who is the criminal? Cat is the criminal. So who is a master criminal is one who is never caught. Who, complete the sentences I am dictating. Come on, who is, is never, never, never caught, caught, caught. Next, who is never caught. Next, the Scotland Yard is baffled because Scotland Yard means the police of Scotland. Okay, the police people are confused. Baffled means confused. Why are they confused? Why are they shocked? Why are they puzzled? Okay, why are they confused? Because it is unable to lay its hand upon Macavity. Because it is means police. The Scotland Yard is baffled means the Scotland police are very confused. Why? Because they are unable to catch Macavity. Because it is unable, unable, unable to lay, 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 its, its hand, 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 upon, upon Macavity, Macavity. Or you can write because this it is unable to catch Macavity. Because it is unable, it means who here? Scotland. Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard means who? Police. Unable to catch, because it is unable to catch Macavity. You can write any answer. Okay, next, third one. Dash because Macavity moves much faster than them. What is he given? Because Macavity moves much faster than them means what? Who can move faster than Macavity? Flying squad. Flying squad. You have flying squad meaning in the spelling there in the meanings. Flying squad is not able to get Macavity. Flying squad is not able to get Macavity or is unable to catch Macavity because Macavity moves faster than flying squad. Who is moving faster than here? Macavity here. Flying squad means who? They go very immediately. I'll show you the picture of flying squad. They go very immediately. If you report any case or if you call them, they come very immediately. Those police people will come very fast and to catch the criminal. Okay, so answer is flying squad is not able to, flying squad is not able to get Macavity. Get Macavity means catch Macavity. Okay, next, a cat I am sure could walk on a cloud without coming through. Who said these words? Jules Verne. Next, which law is Macavity breaking in the light of the comment above? Which law is she breaking? We are talking about law of gravity. Write the answer. Law of gravity. You have answer in your textbook itself. Next. Read stanza 3 and then describe Macavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. You have to describe. I'll ask you in the Google Meet. You explain me. Okay. Next, say true or false. So what is the first? Macavity is not an ordinary cat. True. Next, Macavity cannot do what a fakir can easily do. False. Macavity can do more than a fakir. But here what he said, cannot do what a fakir can do means. No, Macavity can do more than fakir. She can't be seen to even police also. Okay. Macavity has supernatural powers. Is it true? False. Macavity doesn't have supernatural powers. It is not a god or what. It does its action in such a way that people can't see it. Okay. Nobody has supernatural powers here in this life. Okay. So here the poet has explained that just there is one cat, mysterious cat. It does all nonsense. It does all nuisance. It can't be seen to others. How much we search also, even police also, flying squad also, whoever wants to search also, it can't be seen. It will do something and it will go away. Okay. It does not have any natural power, supernatural power. Okay. So false. Next, Macavity is well dressed and smart and bright. Is it Macavity is bright and smart? No, it is dirty, uncombed. False. Next, Macavity is a spy, a trickster and a criminal, all rolled in one. It is an all-rounder. Yes, true. It is a trickster, a criminal, and it has all qualities. Okay. So what are the answers? True, false, 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 true. T, F, 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 T. Okay. Next, having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call Macavity a fiend and monster? This poet has written about cats. Okay. So why did he call he is fond of cats? He likes cats very much. But why did he call a cat as fiend and monster? Fiend means devil. Okay. One criminal. Okay, and monster, this is also a devil. So why did he name that cat? He is fond of cats, he likes cats very much, but why did he give this name? Okay, you must know. I'll ask you in the Google Meet. Has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Find a few examples of it and read those lines aloud. What type of effect he has given? He has compared the cat in what way? And what are the things the cat is harming humans? You have to tell. Okay, children? Okay. I think you have understood. You have to read the whole poem once again. Unless you read twice or thrice, you will not understand the poem. Poetry is very, very tough for you in 8th class. Okay, children? Okay. Now, I explained the summary. Now, let us go to the meanings. Come on, let us fast take the pen in your pencil or a pencil. Note down the meanings in your textbook. Okay. Mystery. Mystery means hidden or unknown. Criminal means a legal offender. Despair. Disappointment. Who was despair here? Who was disappointed? Police. Police, how much they searched? They did not find the criminal. Who is the criminal here? Cat. Next, bafflement means confusion. Stare, gaze in wonder. Who is staring here? Fakir. Fakir is shocked. Fakir means who? The Babas, who will give all the magical things and all. Okay, who will be totally devoted in God. They have little bit powers, they say, but we don't know what is right. Okay, so even that fellow is also staring. Oh my God, I, a magician, I, a fakir, I am totally devoted to God. I totally pray to God. I have some powers. My powers are not working in front of this Macavity. How this Macavity is escaping? How it is flying in the air? Even fakir is also staring. Basement means space under the ground. No, you will not find Macavity either under the ground nor up in the buildings. Okay. Next, seek means look for, observe, look up. Look for, look up. These all are phrasal verbs. Verb plus preposition is called a phrasal verb. Verb plus preposition. After look there is a preposition. After look there is a preposition. So verb plus preposition is called a phrasal verb. Ginger cat means ginger colored. You can see in the picture. Okay. Next. Sunken means deep set. Eyes have gone inside. Okay, cat's eyes have gone very inside. Lined means wrinkled. See, your eyebrows are lined. When you put your forehead like this, lines will be seen. Just raise your forehead up like this with your eyebrows, lines will be seen. Okay, neglect means disregard. Who is neglected here? Macavity is neglected. Why it is neglected? It will not bath properly, it will not be clean, it will not dress up neatly, it will not comb his hair, everything is mess up, it is in a dirty condition. Okay, whiskers means hair on the mouth, upper lip of an animal. Whiskers means animals will have hairs near the lips, near the mouth. Is it? Those are called whiskers. Those whiskers are also in a bad condition, uncombed, in a dirty figure. Okay, so they are called whiskers and uncombed. Sways means moves. This Macavity moves his head like a snake. How snake will move his head, that is called swaying. Okay, monster, devil. Square means Macavity is not found in under the basement nor in the squares means buildings. In America, before they used to call buildings as squares. You see, square buildings will be in square shape, isn't it? So, or you can say open ground is also called a square. Okay, I think you understood the meanings. Now let us go to the poet. Who is a poet here? T.S. Eliot. Thomas Stearns Eliot was an American-British poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic and editor. He was born in St. Louis, Missouri and moved to England in the year 1914 at the age of 25 and went on to settle, work and marry there. He settled in England. There means what? England. Eliot is considered one of the 20th century's major poets. He was also known for his 7 plays. What are those plays? You will know later. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948, in the year 1948, for his outstanding poignant contribution to present-day poetry. So I explained you textual grammar, I explained you meanings, I explained you about the poet. Now let us go to the last summary. Let us make it fast. Okay, now who is this? We are talking about Macavity. Macavity is a ginger colored means, see, this is called ginger colored. Next, children, you have in your 10th class, 9th and 10th, even in 8th also you have, in your lesson number 2 you can see, they will give the pictures, you need to write the story. See, understand this, this is very strict to you, I am telling. They give the pictures and you need to write the story. That is in question paper 10 marks. Okay, there is a story writing, 1 Roman, you have story writing. By seeing the picture, you have to create the story and you have to write. So, in that way, I have presented the summary. By seeing this one, you should know the whole summary of the poem. If you are unable to say the summary by seeing the picture, why Miss has given this picture, what is this picture, what is this picture, if you think, that means you are not thorough with the poem. So, I am giving the pictures in the last, so that you will recall whole summary through picturization. So, what is this one? Cat. We are talking about Macavity. This Macavity is also called a hidden paw. Why it is called a hidden paw? Because when a cat moves, it will not make sound. Cat comes into your house, in the kitchen. Will it make sound? No, unless it throws some plate or some dish or some utensil, you will not know, a cat is there. Isn't it? So, it is such a dangerous animal that it will not make any sound. So, this cat is given another name. What is it given another name? Hidden paw. It will not make sound with its paws. Okay, next, even the police, the Scotland police are also in confused. They are searching, they don't find. They are going to the place where the criminal has done what it has done, but they do not find. They are also in bafflement. What is meant by bafflement? Confusion. Even the police, Scotland Yard, this is called Scotland Yard. Next comes flying squad. Even flying squad means the soldiers, the army people or the police officers. Just if you give one information, sir, it is happened in this area like this, means immediately within minutes they come there. Even this flying squad is also in tension, in despair. Despair means disappointment, that sir, how much they are searching, who has done this one, who has done this criminal, who has done this nuisance. They are searching for the person, but Macavity you will not find there. Who will do that one? All nonsense and nuisance Macavity will do. Even police also can't find that one. Even the flying squads also can't find Macavity. Next, I told law of gravitation. Okay, Macavity will break every law, even law of constitutions. She will break human laws, she will break. Even the scientist told, Newton told the law of gravitation. Macavity breaks the law of gravitation also. Next, it will make fakir stare. Why fakir is staring? Because Macavity is flying in the air. Oh my God, how this Macavity is flying in the air? What a criminal it is not seen to anyone. It flies and goes away. Nobody can see it. Okay, next. Here, wherever you search, McCavity will not be. Undergrounds, near the basement, in the cellars, you see, you can't find there also. You see up in the rooms, you can't find there also. Okay, so McCavity is not found anywhere. Next, McCavity's eyes are sunken, deep, serious looks. It will not laugh. It looks seriously. These are, see, here the eyes are sunken. Okay, next, McCavity is in such a bad condition, it will not comb his hair. His head is domed, as if domed means something is kept on the head. His head is domed. He has whiskers on his face, and that too not shaped. Actually, your fathers, uncles will have some beards. They trim it, they shape it. It looks neat. But this McCavity's beard, this McCavity's whiskers are not shaped. All are in dirty condition. Hair grown unbadly, and it is uncombed. Okay, and next, his coat is very dusty and dirty. Okay, all full dirty, in dirty condition. Okay, and next, it is very dangerous cat. It feels as if it is sleeping, but it will not sleep. It will be peeping. Who is doing, who is going. You observe cats, they'll be just lying down on the floor, but with one eye they'll be observing when humans are roaming. In my house, I find cat like that only. I feel it is sleeping, but no, it just peeps from the eyes. See the picture. Okay, it is not actually sleeping. It is one dangerous, cunning fellow. Okay, next, last comes, what did the poet say? It is not a real cat, it is a devil. It is a devil, it is a monster. See here, next, see, there is no one like McCavity for hers in feline shape. A fiend, feline, devil. Feline shape means in the shape of a devil. In the night time, you see, eyes will be shining. It is a dangerous, okay, a monster of depravity. It will does all the mistakes, and it will not be seen. Now it comes into your house, it drinks the milk and go. Again, it will not be seen. Again, it comes out next day or after evening hours, like that. So when it comes, when it goes, you want to beat it, but you will not find it. Okay, so it is a dangerous devil. Next, at last, what is the poet saying? We can't find up in the air, up in the rooms, nor we find only in the streets, but we can't be seen. It will be roaming in the streets, it will be roaming near the buildings, but we can't find there also. It will be just roaming here and there. Okay, by streets means lanes. Okay, you can't find in the squares also. Squares means buildings. See here, American buildings are in the shape of a square. So he has compared, the poet has compared buildings in the form of a square. So this is called a simile. I think by seeing this, I told you the summary also. You have understood well. Children, you read once again the poem. You will understand. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the Google Meet. Okay, children, bye.